Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all, and again I'm gonna do a Madhubani painting as so many of you requested me to make a Madhubani painting. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today's video is, as I already told you, it's gonna be Madhubani painting. But before going to that, I want to show you this painting that I just finished, and this is another traditional art form from Himachal Pradesh. So I just made a portrait of a queen, and this is called the Kangra painting. It is not exactly like a full Kangra painting, but as you can see, there's a lot of details and all, and I just made a portrait of queen that they draw in Kangra painting. And so that's all I want to show you. If you want me to make something related to another traditional art forms, you can comment below, and you can tell me your views about this. Okay, so let's get back to the video now. So what we're gonna do today we are making Madhubani birds. So what you need here is just draw a simple circle like this. So that depends on how big kind of bird you want to make, and then you can draw an eye, and then there's the beak. So you can do a little bit of experiment with the shape of beak that you want to make, and take the same line like in a C curve and make a neck from there, and same like that take the above line down like you're drawing a S shape or something like this, and that's it. That's the head of the bird. And now make a huge S, and like in we used to make the birds when we were small, same like that. It's very easy and simple, but they are beautiful looking when they are complete. The steps are really easy, so that's why I'm saying just please do experiment with the designs and patterns inside. So another thing that you're going to draw in the painting is flowers. So just make sure to give the flowers double lines for so that you can add some patterns inside, some leaves and some branches. So I already made this painting. There's the rough sketches, and then afterwards I used my fine liners to give a final touch. And now I have the base of the painting. So now we will move on to filling on the patterns inside the birds and the flowers. Okay, so now just to make sure my borders are very clean when I'll paint the painting, so I'm using the painter's tape on the borders like this. And every material that I'm using, all the description of Amazon links are given there in my description below. You can check the description of the video for all the details of different materials that I'm using in this painting. Okay, so guys, next thing is use very simple patterns. Mostly in Madhubani there's a lot of dashes, lines, and like a geometrical patterns like fish patterns and all. So keep experimenting and keep keep a set of patterns with you on a paper, and just choose different patterns here and there in the painting. So I'm choosing like a fish pattern here to make the bird that feather. So the first step was to make a rough diagram of the painting that you're going to draw. The second is to give it a outline with the fine liner, and the third one is to add all the patterns, the minute details and the patterns, the lines, dots and whatever circles that you're going to make inside the birds and the flowers and the stems and everything. That is the third part. and then the fourth one is gonna be, we're gonna paint the rest of the space that is left blank. Okay, so let me finish the patterns first. Guys, one more thing, just make sure to follow me on my Instagram channel. The link is given over here. You can find me on Instagram, and whenever you do any recreation of mine, please do share it with me on Insta. Just DM me or tag me in your picture so that I can share it on my stories and all. And I love when you guys show me your recreation of my paintings and my tutorials. I just love that, so please keep doing that, and thank you all for sending me all different kinds of paintings that you did, and it makes me so happy. Okay everyone, so the last step here that we're gonna do is to choose the color that we're gonna put inside our the outer space or the blank space. So first I thought I'm gonna paint it with yellow, but I didn't feel the vibe from that color, because I wanted to look it real nice, bold contrast. I wanted to have a nice contrast with the black and white in the birds, so that's why I chose this orange color. But either you can do some maroon, not if you don't want to make it like a you want to have the bold color, because everyone has a different choices. So you can go for light green color, lime green color, or you can go for sky blue color. They will also look real nice. So it just depend on your preferences of different colors. Okay, so let me finish the coloring now. Just make sure you don't put the color inside the birds. Just be careful when you're painting the spaces outside the birds and the different flowers and leaves. So I'm just doing the last touch ups here and there, and our painting is almost finished. And the last part, the best part that I love the most, is to remove the painter's tape. And this part is little bit nerve-wracking also, because you always wish that the border is always clean, that don't there's no bleed through color and also. But I love this part a lot. This is so satisfying, so that's why I didn't cut it out. So as you can see, the borders are so clean. So if you want to choose this method, this is real good method to have clean borders. But other than that, if you don't have the tape, skip it, it doesn't matter. Okay guys, so our painting is now finished, and as you can see, it's looking so cool, so gorgeous. And if you'll put it in a frame, this will look absolutely beautiful. And please tell me, please share your views on this with me, and do recreate this, and please share it on Instagram with me. And thank you all for watching my video. And guys, those who are not subscribed to my channel, if you like my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make a lot of folk art and mandalas and zentangle paintings here. And that's it. Bye bye, see you later.